Bootstrap is one of the most popular CSS framework known for its mobile-first approach, consistent UI, simplicity, readability, and compatibility across various platforms. That's why Bootstrap remains popular in the industry. Knowing Bootstrap 5 is a big plus on your resume and can open up more job opportunities. Welcome to Bootstrap 5 Essential Training with Project Course. This is the perfect course for beginners who want to learn Bootstrap from beginner to advanced step by step. With this hands-on training, you will not only grasp the fundamentals but also create projects to solidify your learning. You don't need prior knowledge of earlier Bootstrap versions to take this course. However, to start this course, you should have good understanding about HTML, CSS, JavaScript as well as SAS. My goal is to make learning process as straightforward as possible so that you can follow along effortlessly. What this course offers: a clear beginner-friendly introduction of Bootstrap 5, master basic concepts and advanced technologies, build real-world project to solidify your understanding, fully responsive websites for any device, develop the confidence to create project independently, downloadable source code for every project so that you can practice, tweak and truly make the projects your own. By the time you finished this course, you won't just know Bootstrap 5, you will be able to create real-world project, responsive website from scratch. And if I skip over anything basic, don't worry. It's because I am weaving it into the projects to help you learn better by doing. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll the course. Let's get started. I can't wait to see you inside.